Welcome to the interior of the Mercedes-Benz EQS 450 sedan. Today we're going to be going over this center driver display and how you can change what is currently being shown to you and kind of find what's more relevant to you in terms of your driving experience. So currently right now, we're in the classic mode. So this will display like a more typical driving information that you would find in pretty much any other car. Obviously it's a bit more updated and stylish here, fully digital. Also shows you your odometer. Now, in order to change this, on the left side of the steering wheel where it says OK, that's actually a little touchpad. You can actually place your thumb there as you're driving, and just using swiping gestures here, you can actually change what's being displayed by swiping up or down. So here we can see you can actually have your navigation displayed in the center here. So that way if you're on a route and let's say your passenger is currently playing here with this center screen here, going through the options, whatever, changing the radio, here you can still fully see your navigation route, so that way you're not going to miss any turns or have any unexpected surprises. And again, as you swipe through these options here, you can see radio. So just using motions to the right or to the left here, you can completely change the radio station at your fingertips without ever having to take your hands off 9 and 3. Really comes in handy if you're a bit more conservative of a driver. And again, as you kind of swipe through these options here, you can change what's displayed. So you can see your range, your eco display, your trip data, or you can just have your odometer again. Now, if you wanted to completely change what's there, if you actually just press the home button on that left side of the steering wheel, so here you can see this menu pop up. So here you can actually have a full screen navigation display, so that way you can really see your map. Vice versa, you can have a more sporty little look to it. So this will actually display your G-forces as you drive through and around corners. You can have a bit more of an understated tone. So this one is really customizable because you can actually click OK, and again, you can actually fully change the color, really make it yours. Me, I'm gonna leave it on purple since that is my favorite color. And over here you have your assistant, so this will actually show you any relevant information, like if you have your Distronic system activated with that adaptive cruise control, it'll let you know the distance between you and the car in front of you. It'll make lane changes for you. Super helpful information there. And if you actually swipe up from this menu, you can actually adjust what is displayed on that heads-up display there, right on the windshield. So currently it's set to standard, which is pretty much only going to show you your miles per hour as well as the speed limit of the road that you're on, as well as any upcoming turns you may have with your navigation. So here you can also have it set to a more sporty appearance, which will obviously show you more of your G-force, a minimal, which will pretty much only show you your miles per hour, as well as an eco display. From here, you can also adjust either the height or the brightness of that heads-up display. So if it's a little hard for you to see, you can completely change that. Or if you actually wanted it completely off, you just push in on there, and now you can see there's no heads-up display. And then if you turn it back on, you can see it comes in there. So that is going to be this new center driver display that is slowly kind of becoming standard across the Mercedes-Benz lineup. And that is how you can completely customize and control what is displayed there.